For my scaffolding assessment, I decided to focus on silent E skills with my ELL student because this was an area that I noticed was a concern for her. The first assessment that I did was her just reading 18 words to me that had the long E pattern to it. The first line was real words, the second line was nonsense words, and then the third line of words was a mixture of real and nonsense words that had multiple syllables. When she did this, she read 9 out of 18 correctly, so she got 50%, telling me that she kind of has the skill, but there's still some gaps that we need to close. She really struggled with the nonsense words and two-syllable words, but she did pretty well with the real one-syllable words. After that, we went on to a worksheet where she had a word that was written, a CVC word, and she would give me the word like cap, and then I would have her write down an E, silent E at the ends, and she would have to give me the new word of cape. So there she was kind of manipulating and able to tell me the word with the short vowel and then the word with the long vowel. And then after that, the last assessment that I did was her reading some sentences to me that had a mixture of silent E words within there. And when she did that, she did okay for the most part. The long A sound she does really well with. When we get to words with like U and long O, sometimes that can be a struggle. Another thing that I noticed was that she still has sound reversals, so like she'll say duh instead of buh, and that's something that we need to work on. And sometimes she'll put, it sounds like she kind of puts an R sound in there. So that was something that also stood out to me that isn't necessarily for the silent E, but I thought it was good data to have. So that's what I based my lesson plan on. Thank you.